Hello everyone from the Canarys Automation. I welcome you to this session on the extraction of text from the PDF using UiPath. So this session will basically brief you on extraction of any text from PDF file and save it to the Word file. Now let's see the resources. We need UiPath to write the code and PDF file to perform the extraction of text. Now let's see the flowchart. When we run the flow, first it will select the PDF which we are provided. Then it will extract the text from the PDF. Then it will create a new world file to store the extracted text. Then it will save it in a desired folder. Then it will stop the flow. Now let's see the demo. Before running the bot, I would like to tell the PDF which I am using to extract the text are one which contain image and the text, the second one which contain table in it. The first PDF which include the text in it with the one image, and second one which include the table. Let's move to the UiPath. Before we start extracting our data, you need to first install the PDF activity from the Manage Packages section. Now I will explain the code. First I am using read PDF with OCR. As you know, image and text PDF contain one image with a text in it. So I am using PDF with OCR. Second, I am using read PDF with text. It will read the simple text from the PDF. Even table text are extracted. Even you can specify the ranges of the pages to be extracted as a text in this box. The extracted text are saved in this new created one world file. Now let's run the flow. In background, it will extract all the text from the PDF and it will save it in a new created world file. After successfully running the bot, now let's see the output. Now you can see the extracted text here. This is a text from table and this is a simple text which are provided in the PDF, and this is a text from image. Guys, that's all from my side. Hope that you found this session informative. So thank you. Please like, comment and share.